If you guys would like to know how I got my first 200 subscribers, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and stay tuned. I will make another video on that as well, coming up in the next couple weeks probably. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Alan. This is Hemi-Driven. So today, guys, you guys see the title, you guys see the thumbnail. This is basically how did I get my first 100 subscribers? So I really want to help out, you know, the guys who are just starting out on YouTube, the guys that think about starting on YouTube, some tips and tricks, the struggles, on basically how to do it, how to get new subscribers and build your channel. So I'd say number one is figure out what your niche is going to be. And whatever that is, so mine's clothing, you know, whether it's fitness, whatever, you want to post videos on that topic. You don't want to say, I'm a car channel, I'm not going to be posting videos of video games, okay? I'm not going to be playing video games and then posting videos of working out in the gym and stuff like that, or like, you know, stuff like that. You want to stick to your niche because people are going to be confused. They're going to be like, why is this guy posting video game streams when he's a car channel? It just doesn't make sense. So people aren't going to subscribe in that aspect. So figure out your niche, post videos on your topic, your niche, or what you're going to choose to do. Once you got that down, you're going to want to figure out how to do YouTube, like how to figure out the right hashtags, figure out the, you know, the high-res thumbnails, stuff like that. YouTube is a very complex thing. I'm still learning it myself, so you want to find, you know, the right trending hashtags that go along with your video and your description and your title. You want to have them all mashed together, all in your tags, so that way, you know, your video does pops out more than other videos. To help you with that, I have the knowledge that I've so go onto your Google, type in I believe it's TubeBuddy, tubebuddy.com, sign up. It's free to use, it gives you help, tips, tricks, helps you with thumbnails, helps you with the hashtags. Now I'm partnered with TubeBuddy, so I am paying for a subscription, and it helps me out a lot with finding all the hashtags and stuff and titles and you name it. So down below is the link. Click on it and sign up if you guys would like. Really helps you out with your first bit of YouTube when you don't know what the hell you're doing. It's so check it out. Also, Vivid IQ is a good one to use as well. Kind of the same thing as TubeBuddy, almost. It helps you with the hashtags and stuff. That's a good one to use as well. I use both just cause. Also, you guys are going to want to create a Facebook account and a Instagram account on your niche that you're doing. So very important. Social media is huge. You always want to be advertising your content, so it's good to have something to post, share your videos on, and also groups, Facebook groups that are directed towards your niche. Share your videos on there. It's all about share your videos to your main Facebook account with your friends. Tell them to like, share, comment, all that stuff. Your first couple subscribers are going to be your friends and family and people. You know, ask them to support you, and you know, it's very important. So that's what you know, I highly recommend you do. If you just start a YouTube channel, don't share it at all. You're not going to get that many subscribers right off the bat. So when should you post? Stuff like that. So when should you post is a tough one. So I'm still trying to figure out like when's the best times to post. I personally don't know yet. I'm trying to learn that for myself. But what I can tell you is set a set schedule for yourself. Post either whatever it is every Wednesday at 9 a.m., 7 a.m., same time every time, so that way your subscribers know when your next video is going to come out. Set a schedule, you know, post every 2 weeks or every week. You have to be relentless. Me personally, I want to make this my career. Right now it's a lull time, so I'm posting probably every 2 weeks throughout the winter until things pick up again. But like I said, it's figuring out that schedule and trying to stick to it and being consistent. Just like everything else, you have to be consistent. You can't just post a video and then 2 months later post another video. You're going to get hardly any views, and YouTube is going to see that you're inactive, and it's just, your video is not going to do that well. So it's very important to set up a schedule and be relentless, stick to it, and be consistent is probably my main #1 tip on starting a YouTube channel. Okay, we're going to talk about putting music in your videos. Don't use anything that's copyrighted, okay? Stuff that you don't have permission to use, don't use it in your videos. You will get flagged for it, and YouTube will just either mute the video, like the audio, and then you'll be like, what the hell? And you wasted all that time doing the editing and stuff like that. So don't use copyrighted music unless you have permission to do it. YouTube on the studio has great sounds and music you can use for free. Try not to look up for non-copyrighted music online, because eventually, you never know, those videos could be copyrighted. It's just little tips here. You don't want to get flagged or anything like that. So that goes for that little tip there. So those are some tips and tricks how I got my first 100 subscribers. It's been a long journey. My YouTube channel has gone. I've met some great people. And I just feel blessed with everything everybody that I've met, the car community, and I've met some incredible YouTubers on the island myself. I feel like the Vancouver Island YouTuber community, if you want to call it that, has grown much more this past 2-3 years. I feel like there's a lot more YouTubers starting to start up, and I think that's amazing. I want to be a full-time YouTuber. That's my goal, full-time YouTuber, and I want to have my own full-time merch brand as well. So I got 2 merch brands. I got the Hemi-Driven and I got the Royale Street Kings. So Royale Street Kings is more for everybody in the car community. So it doesn't matter if you're a Honda Civic, truck, Jeep, anything. It's for anybody. Everybody can rock a Royale Street King sticker on their car, shirt, anything. Hemi-Driven is going to be basically just strict to Mopar, Dodge type people, and I'm going to keep it that way because I love Mopar. I just love it. I have a huge passion for Dodge and really want a Hellcat. You know, that's coming from a guy that used to own a Camaro. So, I mean, Camaro's a great car, don't get me wrong, but I like Mopar a little better. But Royale Street King is for everybody. So, if you guys want to check it out, follow me, support me on that. Link is in the description for that. Vivid IQ to help you on your YouTube channel. Link is in the description for that. And the TubeBuddy.com link is in the description for that. Check all that out. It'll help you out a lot. And hopefully you like my merch brand, new merch brand channel. We're doing a giveaway very soon on Instagram. I'm going to be doing a live stream on this account on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned. So if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to write them down and ask me them, and I will try to respond and answer them. So if you guys want to have a chat, a little personal one-to-one conversation with me, feel free, ask questions. I love questions, and we will hang out and answer them at my home. So, yeah. YouTube is a hard game, guys. Don't be scared. Be confident. You know, YouTube doing this has taught me so much confidence in myself, and just videoing in public in general is tough. So I recommend just getting out there and just doing it. Don't worry about what people think, you guys. People are gonna hate. That's just the name of the game. People are gonna hate. You're gonna get those grumpy, unmotivated people that just sit there and type BS. Don't be afraid of those comments. You're gonna get them. Ignore them or comment back. That's what I do. I don't really care. You know, it's whatever. I'm following my dream, and I don't care what anybody says, and neither should you. So I hope you follow your YouTube dream and grind for what you want in life. Anyhow, that is it. I'm out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's quick video. I got another video coming up also on how to change your the time that the Dodge Charger shifts. So stay tuned for that. That's another video I'm going to do. So subscribe if you guys want to stay up to date and tap that notification bell. Really appreciate it. Like if you guys enjoyed it, of course. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. And yeah, peace out. Stay motivated, guys.